Hey there folks, we're going to be taking a look at this HDMI splitter by OREI. Model number is BK-22. If you're a content creator, a gamer, or if you own a business where you have digital signage, this is definitely a device to consider. This is the OREI BK-22. It's a professional grade splitter and switcher, designed not just for home use, but also for business environments like video conferencing and large screen demos. Looking at the front panel, you'll notice the IR receiver here and a host of LEDs here. This one shows you the power state. This one shows you if there is a signal in input 1, input 2, and then also if it's outputting signal on either 1 or 2. And then you have a physical toggle switch here to be able to switch between the different inputs. And then you also have an EDID control toggle switch here. In addition to that, you have this micro USB service port where you can install firmware updates. On the back of the panel, you'll find 4 HDMI ports, 2 HDMI ins and 2 HDMI outs. And you also have the DC 5 volt input here. The sides of the unit are vented on both ends, and the case is very sturdy, made of aluminum, which helps to dissipate the heat. This unit is a 2x2 splitter. It supports 8K at 60 Hz and 4K at 120 Hz, making it a great option for gamers. The unit comes with a remote control that allows you to control the inputs, either 1 or 2, as well as turning the unit on and off. The provided power supply is a standard wall AC adapter. The length of the unit is 5.7 inches by 2.6 inches and 0.67 inches thick. To quickly demonstrate its switching capabilities, I have 2 field monitors connected to the unit as well as 2 input video sources. So right now what you're seeing on screen is one of the input video sources, and now I'm going to switch over to the second one. And there you see that it switches over very quickly. Both of these monitors take in 4K inputs, so you can see how it can flawlessly switch between the 2 video sources while pushing 4K video. If you're not sure what the EDID switch is for, what this allows you to do is to force a certain resolution and even audio output from the unit. So if you're not getting the video resolution that you want or audio format that you want out of this unit, you can force it using this toggle switch. For example, you can force it to output 4K at 60 Hz with a 5.1 surround sound or even 8K with stereo audio. Now, it's important to note that this unit doesn't do audio extraction. It's purely a splitter switch, not for ARC. The way that I've been using this unit for the past year is I have my computer plugged into input 1 and my monitor plugged into output 1. And then with the second input, what that allows me to do is be able to plug things in like camera, so I can be able to monitor what I'm recording on camera and be able to switch from my computer over to the camera input and not have to worry about going behind my monitor to make the connection change. And I can do that here right on the panel, which makes it very easy and very convenient. So you can save yourself the headache of having to unplug and plug HDMI cables just to get a different source onto your video screens with this unit. At 4K 120 Hz, it's perfect for gaming, and at 8K you can get 60 Hz out of it, which makes this a great choice for either gamers or business owners who have signage that they want to project onto large screens. So there you have it, folks. That is the OREI BK-22 HDMI splitter. As a content creator, this hack is something that will help you out quite a bit to be able to use one monitor for multiple sources and be able to swap those out easily without having to go behind your monitor. So definitely consider this, whether you're a gamer, content creator, or a business owner with digital signage. And on that note, I hope you subscribe, and I'll see you on the next video.